Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to play sound effects for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application, and of course you need to connect your speaker with the app. After that, tap at your speaker, scroll down, and right here we have sound effects. So we already have video how to play emergency alarm, so you can check it if you don't know how. Now let's move to the white noises. Firstly, we have recommended here, and you can select, let's say, forest, click on it. Now it played. You can also set timer for it, so click at the timer and let's set it for 3 hours and then confirm. You can also pause it. Now also right here we have DIY, so you can add. Right here you have presets. Let's say I wanna add something from nature, let's say forest. Let's now move to the animal. I wanna add some bird. Here live, let's add a train, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.